Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, indigenous anti-icing technology for aero engines. Icing remains a critical safety concern for aircraft occurring when they fly through clouds containing supercooled liquid water droplets. These droplets freeze upon contact with aircraft surface, forming ice that can drastically alter the shape of airfoils, including wings and tails, leading to a deterioration in aerodynamic performance, difficulty in control, loss of flight stability, and in severe cases, catastrophic crashes. Ice dislodged from aircraft or engine surfaces poses additional risk, potentially damaging engines, causing loss of thrust, and leading to engine failures midnight. Historical data shows numerous fatal accidents attributed to aircraft icing. Next, seeking partners for CATS-A WUAV air intake ducts. HAL, a leading aerospace and defense company in India, has issued an expression of interest for the manufacturing and supply of air intake composite ducts specifically designed for the CATS WUAV program. The CATS Warrior is being designed with a composite airframe, a critical feature for achieving low observable characteristics. In layman's terms, this means the drone will have a reduced radar signature, making it difficult for enemy radar system to detect. The stealth capability is essential for modern aerial warfare, allowing the CATS Warrior to operate behind enemy lines undetected. Next, offering MT-30 engines with TOT for Indian Navy's future warships. Rolls-Royce has made a compelling proposition to the Indian Navy, offering its proven MT-30 marine turbine engine along with a complete transfer of technology package. This move aims to power the next generation of larger Indian warships, including the planned aircraft carrier. The MT-30 boasts a proven track record, successfully powering the massive 65,000 tons HMS Queen Elizabeth, the United Kingdom's aircraft carrier. Next, Snow Leopard K9 Vajra to be ordered soon. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi's third term commences, the Defence Ministry is poised to embark on an ambitious journey of modernization, making a pivotal shift in India's defence capabilities. With the agenda for the first 100 days of the new government being meticulously outlined, a significant focus is placed on bolstering the Indian Army artillery strength through the procurement of advanced weaponry. Next, pushing C-130J for IAF's MTA program. Eyes local production. Lockheed Martin India is making a strong play for the Indian Air Force multi-transport aircraft program, offering its proven C-130J Super Hercules tactical transport aircraft. This comes despite the company also offering its KC-130J variant, a tanker version of the Hercules. Next, delivery of counter-drone system to Indian Army. Engineering solutions provider Access Technologies on Monday said it will deliver some systems to the Indian Army as part of the ₹100 crore order. The man-portable counter-drone system has been developed by Exiscades, a company statement said. Thank you.